How to enable notifications on your Ring app. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable notifications on your Ring app. So to do that, first of all, open the Ring application on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your Ring account. Now once you're logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. After that, you'll have to tap on the option Control Center. Now you will be redirected to this page where you'll have to simply scroll down until you see the option Notifications. Tap on it. Now wait for the option Ring Email Preferences to load, and once the option has been loaded, tap on the option Update. Now make sure you have ticked on all of these boxes except for unsubscribe from all Ring marketing emails, and then once you tap on the option Change, Save Changes, you will get alerts and notifications on your email. Now if you want to get the notifications on your phone itself, what you'll have to do is simply go to your settings. After that, tap on the option Notifications. Now simply scroll down and then find the Ring app. Now tap on it, and as you can see, I've currently not allowed notifications, so it will not show any notifications or alerts. So what you'll have to do is simply toggle this bar right over here, and then you will have successfully enabled notifications of your Ring app. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.